In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the graphs function in Capcut. To get started, open your Capcut software and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, look down at the timeline and click on the video clip you want to animate. This is important because the graph controls will only affect the clip you currently have selected. With the clip selected, move over to the panel on the top right and go into the Video tab. From there, find the Transform section. This is where you can control properties like position, scale, and other visual changes over time. For this example, go to Scale. Next to the Scale setting, click the keyframe icon to add a keyframe. As soon as you do that, you should see a blue keyframe appear on your video clip in the timeline. That blue marker confirms that Capcut has saved a point in time for your animation. Now go back to the keyframe on your video clip in the timeline and right-click on it. A menu will appear, and here you want to choose Show Variable Speed Animation. This will enable the graph-related controls for that keyframe and let you shape how the motion behaves, instead of having it move in a simple linear way. After that, look for the small graph icon that appears in the top right area and click on it. This opens the graph options, where you can choose a preset curve for your animation. These preset curves change how the movement starts and ends. For example, some curves make the animation begin slowly and speed up, while others create a smoother ease in and ease out effect. This helps your edits feel more polished and natural. One very important thing to remember is that you need to add one more keyframe for the effect to actually take place. If you only have a single keyframe, Capcut doesn't have a second point to animate toward, so you won't really see the graph in action. Once that second keyframe is added, the curve you selected can control the motion between those 2 points. As a quick tip, after applying the graph preset, play back your clip and watch the movement carefully. If it feels too fast or too subtle, you can fine-tune the keyframe placement and try a different preset curve until it looks right. That's how to use the graphs function in Capcut, and once you practice it a few times, it becomes a very useful tool for smoother, more professional looking animations.